Seafood is my mom's passion. She was born in Italy, near the seaside, and when she was a kid, she would dive to catch octopus with Grandpa. Now she does not dive anymore, but she still enjoys catching the freshest seafood on the market. You want to try this new recipe? Get ready with the ingredients!
Ciao a tutti! The dish of today is very simple to make, but beautiful to looking. I prepare spaghetti, but not normal spaghetti. Special spaghetti, black ink spaghetti with beans and squid. Let's
start preparing our ingredients. Firstly, we need to clean the calamari. Let's work on a workbench so that Mom can show you in details how to cut them. Oh, did you know that I am the only child in the family that eats seafood? Looking at Mom cleaning this calamari makes me drool. I hope she can be quick in finishing this dish.
Yes!
Look, Mom is removing the little hard thingies on the tentacles with the help of her nails. Rinse well inside and outside. Cut the body of the calamari into rings. Let's see what Mom will do now. Our first step is to prepare the chopped vegetables. The holy trinity of Italian dish base is made of onion, celery, and carrots. We call it trito. I don't think there is an English word for it, so allow us to call it trito from now on. Cut the carrot in half and chop it into smaller pieces.
It's close to become ready. Okay. Now it's time to cut the onion. I think that I started to cry.
Cut the onion the way Mom does it. First, cut it in half. Then make side cuts. It will be easy to chop the onion without it slipping off your hand. Chop it into smaller pieces again.
I started to cry.
See? The pieces are the same size as the carrots.
Onion is ready too. Guys, I'm so touched that you look at me all day. Thank you, thank you.
Peel the celery and cut it into smaller pieces.
I like celery.
Also, I like celery.
I remember that in my home, who makes this job all the time is my father. My mother called my father for make trito.
Yeah, Grandpa is a great sidekick in the kitchen. All our 3 vegetables are ready.
Now let's start to cook on the fire.
So much.
Stir fry the trito in extra virgin olive oil for a short while, so it becomes tender without turning brown. In Italian, this is called appasire the vegetables. When it sizzles, add the peas. They can be frozen or fresh. Stir the peas. Add water. Cook with medium heat. Depending on the quality of the peas, the cooking time can change a lot. Add just a little bit of sugar to enhance the flavor of the peas.
Now our peas have to cook until become soft.
We can consider them cooked when they become tender. Also, the soup will be thicker.
È buono? Okay. You add salt?
Salt.
Ready.
We put the peas into different containers. With a skimmer, get some peas that we will put whole in today's dish. The skimmer helps to minimize the amount of liquid transferred into the bowl. With a ladle, put the peas to be blended later in the second container. In this third container, we put the juice of the peas that we use later to finish cooking the pasta. Whoa, there is still lots of peas. Much more than what we need for our dish today. No worries, we will not throw anything away. What to do with the other peas?
When these cool down, I put in the fridge. Ok, Giulia, spostati. Chiudi. Piano. Fantastic. In one cooking session, 2 dishes. Tomorrow, I know what I have to eat.
Let's blend the peas in the second container. Adding some juice can help to reach a creamy texture. Crush the garlic clove and cut the chili pepper. Just to save time, Mom has already put the pot with boiling water for the pasta. I love hot dishes. Now we put extra virgin olive oil straight from my grandpa's trees.
Yummy.
And the smell, chew is yummy, really.
When oil starts sizzling, pour the peas of the first container in a pan. Cook for a couple of minutes. Make sure to cook with high fire.
Just one roll. Off. And the fire is off and take out the garlic. Now go to cook as spaghetti. The water starts to boil. Put salt. Yes. Yes, spaghetti. Sono belli? Chocolate, yes. It's chocolate spaghetti, Giulia. Inside. I turn on the piselli because I need that to become very hot. The snake. I need that to become very hot. First to put pasta inside. The pasta is very close the correct cooking point. You listen to the noisy, then the temperature is okay for put pasta.
Put the pasta in the sizzling pan.
I promise you that this dish become very beautiful, and looking in the pan is are very beautiful. This red color with the black and green color is nice. Now all is very dry, but what I do, I put the squid, my road, just one road.
Very important tip. Calamari must not be cooked for a long time so that they can stay tender. This is why Mom turns off the fire almost immediately after putting them in the pasta.
Chin chin! Yeah! You tried yours and I tried mine. Buono? Com'è? Buono? Very yummy? It's very yummy. This dish is so beautiful for me. And you like? Let me know in the comment below. Ciao!
Well, that's it for today. Want to watch more Italian recipes? Subscribe and click on the bell button to receive notifications on the next video. There is a new video every Thursday. See you in the next episode of Toni's Home.